On a rainy bus ride, a fogged window reveals a portal where every droplet mirrors a forgotten moment. A weary commuter becomes a time traveler, guiding glowing paper boats through a city made of wind and song for a moment. Memory of kindness grows into a giant lantern that drifts above traffic, lighting conversations with strangers of kindness inside. When the bus stops, a door opens to a library where coat racks hide doorway dreams for curious travelers. Back on the street, the journey lingers as a reminder that everyday moments are portals waiting to be whispered tonight.